Every great life transformation, every success story, every powerful comeback, all began with something almost invisible. A choice so small that most people overlook it. A change so simple that most people dismiss it. Today, I want to show you how becoming just 1% better every day can turn you into someone unstoppable. This is not a speech about motivation. It's not about hype. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. This is about math. This is about compound growth. And this is about a rule that will quietly rebuild your life. Without pressure, without burnout, without forcing yourself to become a different person overnight. This is the 1% rule. The rule that will change your life forever, if you let it. Welcome to Level Up Mindset. Most people fail in life not because they lack talent, but because they lack patience. They want results today. They want transformation today. They want a new life today. So when they try something and don't see immediate results, they quit. But life doesn't work that way. Growth isn't instant. Success isn't a microwave. Mindset isn't a switch. The 1% rule teaches us one thing. Small improvements, done consistently, beat massive changes done occasionally. Let's imagine this together. If you improve your life by just 1% every day, not 50%, not 10%, not even 5%, just 1%. At the end of the year, you will be 37 times better than when you started. Now imagine the opposite. If you decline by just 1% every day, you don't become slightly worse. You become almost nothing. This is the terrifying truth. You are either compounding upward or compounding downward, but you are never staying the same. Every small decision you make is shifting your life in one direction or another. Let's keep this simple. 1% improvement every day. 1.01, 365, 37.78. That means if today you know nothing about discipline, nothing about success, nothing about habits, but you commit to improving just 1% each day by the end of the year, you'll be unrecognizable. But it also means something else. If you decrease by 1% every day, if you get lazier, less focused, less consistent, you won't stay almost the same. You will collapse. This is why small choices matter so deeply. Because small choices are never small, they compound. The body you have today is a result of hundreds of tiny meals. The mindset you have today is a result of thousands of tiny thoughts. The life you have today is a result of millions of tiny decisions. Nothing you do today is small. It only looks small. Now let's get practical. How do you improve your life 1% at a time? Here are simple, realistic ways. Not everything, just one thing. Your health, your mindset, your finances, your discipline, your morning routine, your learning, your emotional strength. Pick one. Not read a book every day. Start with read one page. Not go to the gym every day. Start with 10 push-ups. Not wake up at 5 a.m. Start with wake up 10 minutes earlier. Write down your 1% improvements. Did you drink more water today? That counts. Did you avoid one bad habit today? That counts. Did you meditate for 5 minutes? That counts. Did you choose discipline instead of comfort once? That counts. Not 10%, not 20%, just enough to grow, but not enough to break. Discipline is not built in big moments. It is built in microscopic ones. People think discipline is running 10 kilometers, waking up at 4 a.m., working 12 hours, doing everything perfectly. But discipline actually begins with showing up. Even when you're tired, even when you're emotional, even when you're not in the mood, it starts when you don't feel like it. But you show up anyway. 1% better today means I did something instead of nothing. You don't need a heroic transformation, you just need consistency. There are 3 enemies of the 1% rule. People want quick results. They give up before growth happens. They see others ahead and feel like failures. If I can't do it perfectly, I won't do it at all. These are mindset killers. Here is the truth. You are not in a competition. You are not behind. You are not late. You are simply growing at the right pace for your life. Every day you improve 1%, your future self becomes stronger, wiser, more disciplined, and more powerful. Drink water. Make your bed. 5 minutes of silence. 1 empowering thought. Learn 1 new thing. Add 1 productive action. Avoid 1 toxic habit. Ask yourself, what tiny thing did I improve today? Write it down. Set 1 small intention for tomorrow. Do this for a year and your life will look nothing like it does today. Right now, in this exact moment, you stand at a crossroads. 1 path is the same path you've always taken. Procrastination, comfort, excuses, waiting, hoping, wishing, dreaming, but never changing. The other path is the 1% path. The path that asks little from you today, but gives you everything tomorrow. Every day, every choice, every habit is either pulling you closer to your best self or further away. You don't need a new life, you just need a new direction. The 1% rule is simple. Start small, stay consistent, let time do the heavy lifting. And in 1 year, you'll look in the mirror, and you won't believe who you've become. Thank you for watching Level Up Mindset. Your journey continues today, not with perfection, but with 1% progress.